She's muddy. I didn't record it, but last week, me and Bryton and Noah took the mini bikes out. And we went to Bacon Creek, and it was still muddy, and there was still some ice. And it was fun, but it was a little sketchy. It's like 60 degrees, March 15th. Gonna enjoy the day. It's been like a couple months since we posted a video, but we've been trying to get some ice fishing in. Actually, this weekend we're going up to Webster, South Dakota again, and we're gonna do some more ice fishing. Hopefully bang out a good ice fishing video. Then the weather will hopefully start getting nice and we can start doing some summer content.
Nope.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave.
The cop over there had the detour. What's up, dog? What's up? As soon as I pull up on Morningside Avenue, there's a cop sitting in the fucking church parking lot. Oh, I just turn right back around and go back down my hill. Noah's all sad.
Me and my buddy, we making all of this money. Yeah, I know it's rude to be bragging. They never catching us slacking. Me and my buddy, we working hard for this money. You know I've been in my bag, buddy. I got
Die or you turn it off? Oh, fuck.
Y'all better stop. Me and my boy gon' climb to the top. Sidekick game like Calvin and Hobbes. Batman and Rob. Y'all know me, I'm down for the cause.
Y'all know us, we start the party. Go way back like Doc and Marty. Either die legend like John Lennon or end up solo like Paul McCartney. Let's go.
W's only, there's obvious signs.
Looking around me, it's hard to deny.
I mean, just look at the audience size.
Robbing you blind like Bonnie and Clyde.
Y'all do too much just to fit in.
Zach and Cody, we stay twinning.
Sweet life only, we stay winning.
Been this way since the beginning.
Me and my buddy, we making all of this money. Yeah, I know it's rude to be bragging. They never catching us slacking. Me and my buddy, we working hard for this money. You know I've been in my bag, buddy. I got it like that.
Yo, my greatest idols are all-time rivals. I'm talking Biggie and Pac.
Yeah, every room that I walk into, it's like all I hear is applause.
Hey, I don't need to just roll solo. I got a buddy like Han Solo. I'm in the money, I rock polo.
I never bomb sets, I just bomb photos. Like boom, lights, camera, action. Do a big boy, yeah, I'm talking Miss Jackson.
Bury those beats, yeah, I'm feeling like Braxton. Good Jewish boy, cause I always pay taxes.
I've been on a mission, got a blast.
Feel like Jimmy Neutron with the raps.
Why you always living in the past?
Let me give you something that'll last.
Me and my buddy, we making all of this money. Yeah, I know it's rude to be bragging. They never catching us slacking. Me and my buddy, we working hard for this money. You know I've been in my bag. Buddy, I got it. Never need an understudy, did it independent. We don't ever need nobody's money. Everybody calling me, they said they wanted something from me. Put me on a song, all of a sudden they be running from me.
Running from me like you playing good cop, bad cop. Crowd going crazy like it's Woodstock, can't stop. Every show I'm playing be like new girl, pants drop. Working way too hard, you're never gonna see the man flow.
We're down. We were gonna see if you wanted to go to Miles and get like a bite to eat or a beer.
I'll be down.
Looks looks like he's coming over here. Maybe they're busy as fuck. It looks like it. What day is it? Wednesday? Is it like Wing Wednesday at Bob Roes?
Dude, that's like Bob Roes.
I'm down for Bob Roes. We can go there. It's kind of a short ride. Yeah. Unless you don't care. Could take the scenic route.
Yeah.
Do it?
Let's go down the South Irene way.
Let's do it. There's one spot. Someone's leaving right now. You should go snag it. I think you gotta go that way. Did you just fall?
Did you see it?
No, but Bryton just told me you did.
Yeah. I saw like a little spot where my bike would go. And then a fucking caught on this shit. So now I have to fucking put it like that.
So you got your first crash. Content, was it filming?
Let's see.
No.
No.
You didn't hit record.
I did hit fucking record too because I was waiting.
Oh no.
Let's go race them. Yeah, I heard you.
Oh yeah. Besides the animals. You should have seen it too.
Three.
Alright.
Fuck yeah. Are we supposed to follow him?
We're supposed to follow him. He's like, I'm gonna go check in the bag.
Oh, I thought he said we're gonna put you in the back. He's like, you guys are supposed to follow us. No.
We're just waiting on them for this train at the table.
That's fine.
Just because I fucking you guys follow me.
Pitcher of beer. Why didn't you just go in with him on the pitcher, dude?
Shit, I like my Modelo's.
My responsibility.
I was like, I told him to get a bike and all that shit. He's like, I want to, but I'm not waiting until this summer. I'm like,
Thank you so much.
Hot Ones Tetris edition.
Don't forget the fritters, dude. Are you eating those? You're like, I'm eating those.
Maybe. I'm gonna try and eat them because No, I need another box.
Kill it and let's get out of here. Boom.
Boom. The bikes are still here. That's good.
Fuck, I left your food on the thing. I'll grab my backpack and I'll be on my way.
Yeah, that much better.
For sure. I'll let you know when I'm home.
So I might be right behind you.
If you can keep up. No.
Oh, is that it?
Nope.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out.